guys, it's Anna. Bienvenida otra vez mi canal. If you're new, what is up? I'm just gonna start the vlog off today because it's Sunday. I feel so swollen. Not really, it's like not bad anymore, but I'm congested. Why does my phone thing look like it's coming off? I have been sick for at least maybe 5 days. Like, I woke up for like 3 days in a row with a sore throat, but it ended up going away like throughout the day. You know, one of those. What day was it? Thursday, I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm full sick because today I have a sore throat and it's not going away. So Thursday though was when I came back here. When I got here, I basically stayed up until like, I don't even know, 5 a.m. or something like that. And then I slept all the rest of the time. I slept all through Friday, all through Saturday, and basically up until now, Sunday. And it is now 4:48 on Sunday. Well, I woke up a few minutes ago. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Yeah, you can. My nose was so stuffy and runny. Weirdly, I'm not too afraid of how I look right now, but I feel so swollen. I've literally been in bed for 3 days straight. Like, I would wake up because I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna try to get up. So I'd wake up for like a few hours and then I'd be like, I can't do this. So on top of the medicine that I was taking for being sick and my new meds that I take, I was just like knocked completely out, okay? But I feel better. I'm still kind of stuffy, which is why like I keep stopping too. I'm like, it's disgusting. I'm like swallowing it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat one of these. I'm drinking water in my Starbucks cup, which I do want to make a coffee. Oh my god. I don't know why. Normally I'm like, I look gross, but weirdly I feel like I don't look as gross as I should right now. It's really weirding me out. Or maybe I'm just going crazy and I look super gross. But like, I'm all sore right in here. So on top of feeling like I'm swollen, I'm just like all sore right in here from my nose being stuffy. But I'm just gonna start off this week's vlog. I cannot believe I slept 3 days. So I need to plan for my week. I have a ton of cleaning here to do. I feel so weird. I feel so out of it, like lost. To get started, I have to replace a lot of my lists and stuff that I have over on this side right here. I'll show it once I kind of take some like personal stuff down. But this is kind of how I've been keeping organized lately. I've just been finding that if stuff like isn't constantly in my face, knowing that I need to do it, then I just completely forget about it. My memory has been even worse, weirder, but I think it's just because I'm sleeping so much with my new meds and everything and dealing with all of that. But it's like I have a ton of appointments that I have to make, and then it's stuff like with work and all of this like projects and stuff that I'm working on at one time. So that's why I need to make a coffee. This room is just messy. It's a little messier because I just have like little things that I need to put away still. I brought some new bags from the other house that I need to reorganize this and make it look pretty and good to go for that. My desk isn't the cleanest, but it's not bad. Like, I'm actually happy to say that this room is not a total disaster right now. Yeah, let me plan for my week. I might show you guys a little bit of it. I have a lot to do. I slept for literally 3 days and I have to play catch up now. I want to show you guys, I got a new bag insert, like a purse organizer, mainly for my Juicy Couture bags, because some of them aren't standing upright, so they need to be like stuff to keep their shape. I got one of these from Amazon. I think I'm gonna have to do a speed up and like a music over because the TV is super loud in the other room. It's nice. Okay, so I just need to find what bag it fits in. This was actually larger than I thought it was gonna be, but I think this is the medium size, and I think I might need small, but so I'm gonna see which of my bags it fits in. Okay, it did fit inside of this one. This one's dirty, so don't judge me. I need to wash it, but it did fit perfectly inside of the ones that are like this shape, this size. Definitely need to get small size, not medium, but it's perfect inside of there. And then I could even put this part in there too. The weird thing though is actually I feel like when you put this on the inside of it, it like makes it smaller. So it's like actually the insert is like slightly obviously smaller than the bag, but with this, since it's got a Velcro to the sides, it like pulls it in and like makes it not take up as much space to hold the bag up. It's weird. That's what you get for $12, I guess. But I think I'm just gonna still store it inside of here. Now it keeps its shape better. I really need to wash it. It's cute. I also got these cat eye lashes. Cat eye, yeah, lashes. I'm gonna try them on to see if I want to use them for my lash extensions. Sometimes I like putting lashes on like the normal way, just like glue them on and like see what they look like before I actually do my false lashes with them. You know what I mean? My DIY like lash extensions. Hear him back there? Wait, can I get these off? So here's these that have been like all over TikTok or whatever. These might not be the exact pair that I saw on TikTok, but they're basically it. So I'm gonna pick one that's like not as cute. These all look pretty good. From Amazon, like sometimes it's really hit or miss with them. Like they'll be like really not cute. I almost forgot to update you guys here on the vlog what these lashes look like. I did a terrible job of putting them on, but here's what they look like. I like them. I like how they go outwards. This one I didn't put them on well. I might use these as my next ones to do my lash extensions with. It's just at the same time I like how they go out nicely, especially on this side, but it's just this one looks so much fuller, and I don't know if it's because of how badly I put it on. Like this one's like more up and this one's more like flat, you know what I mean? But I don't know. That's why I still have them on. I've had them on for a while because I'm trying to like look at myself and see if I like them enough to do these as my lash extensions. I have other ones too, but I think these are the only like cat eye, fox eye look ones that I have. It's Tuesday night. I have a headache, but I got a new charger for my laptop, so I'm gonna open it. There is like nothing like opening new Apple products, I swear. What if it's just something like this, or like I got some of these. So I got one for my iPad and one for my phone. I should take off this hoodie because it's actually hot in here and I have the window open, which is weird. It's hot. What the heck? Sirens. Okay, but should I fix myself before I get on camera? Yeah. Do I care? Also, yeah, but I'm not gonna do it. I have a mess, as you can see. So the funny story, I have a trash can in here, but Loki goes in the trash. So that's why I put my trash up there. But cool. The bag of Takis is not trash. It's a new bag. What? Okay, this was sealed up. Why does the box look dirty on the inside? That's really weird. Can you see the dirt in there? Like right there? Weird. Okay. This gets like totally sealed up. I need to change out this piece on here. Whoever told Apple that people want to plug this in directly with like this huge chunk square? Oh, does it come with it? Oh, good. I didn't know it came with it. I thought I was gonna have to use the one from my old computer charger, and I almost bought an extra one, so good thing I didn't. I didn't realize it came with it. I don't know why I didn't know that. Good thing I didn't buy it. I really had it in the cart from Apple, and then I took it out. How does this come off? I still need to edit. I still need to update my planners for March. And I have bills that are about to come out. So I've got videos and content that I have to plan out, and I need to switch over all of my planners for the new month. It's 7:29, so 7:30 Tuesday night. Look at what I'm drinking. It looks absolutely disgusting. But it's the Teamy Green powder, but with Bang Energy mixed in. Okay, everyone, sorry. This is literally future Anna. I am editing the vlog right now, and I realized that I didn't have an outro. I've been trying to do better about having an intro and an outro for you guys, but yeah, so I wanted to end the video, but also I've started including an intro to my videos. I haven't picked out like music for it yet or anything. But yeah, I like just figured out how to do it. I know I'm super late. So that's in the videos now. I'm gonna try to find music like I just said. Sorry, this was a shorter vlog, but like I said earlier in the vlog, I slept for a lot of the week because I was sick. And then it was like just playing catch up for the rest of the days that you did see. But it was a pretty boring week anyway. So it's Sunday still. So I'm ending this vlog off on a Sunday, but I'm also going to be starting the next week's vlog. So I'm trying to be better about vlogging, and hopefully I can vlog each week. And I'll try to get them up. I guess Sundays will be vlog days. And then, ooh. Why is that going off? And then I'll have another video probably for either Wednesday or Thursday. It just kind of depends on what's happening. I'm trying to save up for some things. So I don't know how much shopping I'll be doing, but I do want to do some Amazon hauls or some Amazon favorites because I have bought so much stuff on Amazon. So I want to share with you guys what I got and how I've been using them and if I've been liking them or not, whatever. I mainly wanted to come on here though to end the video. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Let me know any of your guys' thoughts down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure the little bell is ticked off or checked off so that YouTube can let you know when I do have my new videos posted. Make sure you follow me on TikTok too. I've been trying to post on there every day. So I need to get on the roll with my Instagram. I'm trying, but I also have work that I have to do and a project that I'm working on, an editing project right now. So I have a lot happening all at one time. And a lot of it's like boring stuff that like you guys aren't gonna want to see, but that was weird. But yeah, so I'm editing a book through right now, which I actually need to pull that out. I need to go grab some more water, but I wanted to say bye, end the vlog off. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Muchísimas gracias though for watching este video. Bye.